Hello and welcome to our video on the future of robotics, how it's changing the way we live and work. Robotics is a rapidly growing field that is having a significant impact on our world. From manufacturing to healthcare, robotics is being used in a wide range of industries to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of our lives. In manufacturing, robots have been used for decades to perform repetitive tasks such as welding and assembly. But today's robots are much more advanced than their predecessors. They can work alongside humans, perform complex tasks, and even learn from their experiences. This has led to a significant increase in productivity and a reduction in manufacturing costs. In healthcare, robots are being used to perform surgeries, assist with physical therapy, and even help with diagnostics. These robots are able to perform delicate procedures with precision and accuracy, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. But the future of robotics is not just limited to these industries. In fact, we are starting to see robots being used in a wide range of other fields such as transportation, agriculture, and even construction. In transportation, self-driving cars are becoming more common on our roads. These cars use a combination of cameras, radar, and LiDAR to navigate and make decisions. They are able to drive more safely and efficiently than humans, reducing the risk of accidents and traffic congestion. In agriculture, robots are being used to plant and harvest crops. These robots can work 24/7, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. They can also be used to monitor crop health and detect pests, which helps farmers make more informed decisions. In construction, robots are being used to help build skyscrapers, bridges, and other infrastructure. These robots can work in dangerous and hard-to-reach places, reducing the risk of accidents and improving the speed of construction. But the future of robotics is not just about increasing efficiency and reducing costs. It's also about improving our quality of life. In the future, we can expect to see robots being used to help with tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and even taking care of our elderly loved ones. These robots will be able to learn from our behaviors, preferences, and even our emotions. This will help them to provide better assistance and improve our quality of life. As you can see, robotics is changing the way we live and work in a big way. But it's important to remember that robots are not here to replace humans. Instead, they are here to help us do things that we can't do on our own. They are here to make our lives easier and more efficient. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who is curious about the future, it's important to understand the basics of robotics and how it's changing our world. In conclusion, robotics is a field that is changing the way we live and work in a big way. From manufacturing to healthcare, robotics is being used to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of our lives. It is important to understand the basics of robotics and how it's changing our world, and to realize that robots are here to help us do things that we can't do on our own. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the future of robotics.